Hi, everybody. So for discussion number 7, I want you to complete and answer the following questions related to Chapter 5 on identifying good measurement. So you're looking at 4 different questions today, a couple of different topics. The first one of the topics in Chapter 5 involves creating operational definitions and the 3 different types of measures that could be used to measure those operationalizations. So I want you to think about a concept. How could you describe or how could you operationalize coffee intake using each of the 3 different types of measures? So how could you operationalize coffee intake using a self-report measure, an observational measure, and a physiological measure? Probably the third one is the most difficult. You could always look up some ideas related to this online if you're struggling. But how could you operationalize somebody's coffee intake using each of these 3 types of measures? The second part of this, you're going to go to the website that I've given you and take the ice cream poll, which should be kind of fun to do. When you've completed the poll and you have your results, I want you to answer the following questions. So what flavor of ice cream did you get? And what did the results say about you? Totally fine to copy and paste the image or the description that it gives you. That's completely fine for this part of the question. As a side note, mine was cookies and cream. If you get the same as me, you know. Number 3, do you think that this quiz is reliable? Explain and comment related to the bullets below. So some things I want you to think about with it, whether or not it's reliable. What kind of reliability would be relevant for this measure? How could you empirically establish the quiz's reliability? And describe one method you could use to quantify the reliability for this quiz. So you're going to reflect on those 3 different things, thinking about the reliability or consistency of the quiz. And then number 4 is about validity. Do you think the quiz is valid? And explain and comment on the bullet below. How would you establish the criterion-related validity of this quiz? So enjoy finding out your favorite ice cream type, and then you're going to reflect on that, again, related to is it reliable, is it valid, and then at the first part of this, looking at how you could operationalize something like coffee intake. Again, all of this related to the information in Chapter 5. So I look forward to reading what you come up with, and yeah, I will see you all online.